Welcome to Home-Based Chef. In today's video, we're going to cook crispy skin baked salmon with herbs and lemon. These are the ingredients which are also listed in the description box below. We will need 290 grams skin-on salmon fillet, 4 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme, half tablespoon of olive oil, 1 piece of lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of iodized salt and ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil for frying. Let's begin! First, peel off the garlic. To peel easier, smash the garlic with the flat of a knife on top or using a mortar and pestle. Then chop the garlic. For large garlic cloves, make a vertical or horizontal slit first to be able to chop faster. Hold the tip of the knife with one hand and use the other to rock the blade back and forth. Now we're going to grind the herbs. Place the dried rosemary in the mortar, followed by the dried thyme, and grind the herbs using the pestle until they become powder in form. Mix in the iodized salt and ground black pepper, then set aside. Now grab the lemon and make sure it is properly washed. Then grate the lemon peel to extract the zest. You may use your cheese grater to do this. Now let's combine the flavorings together, starting with the garlic, and then the herb mixture. Mix very well. Now we're going to rub the flavoring on the salmon. Use your hand to press the garlic and herb mixture on the fish. Flip the salmon and rub the mixture on the skin side too. Flip the fish again and add the lemon zest and press it on the fish evenly. Then drizzle with olive oil. Now we're going to fry the salmon skin to make it crispy. Heat the pan on high temperature and then pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then place the salmon with its skin side down. Fry until the skin turns brown and crispy. Then transfer it in a baking tray with its skin side up. Remove the burnt garlic off the skin so it won't leave a bitter taste. Now let's bake the salmon at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. As soon as it is cooked, serve the salmon with steamed rice or with a side of vegetables such as steamed broccoli. And don't forget to include the garlic, herbs, and lemon zest left in the tray because they are also full of flavors. And finally, a slice of lemon on the side. And there you have it, our crispy skin baked salmon with herbs and lemon. If you make this recipe, snap a pic and tag it #HomebasedChef. We would love to see your creations on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or let us know in the comment section below. Please like this video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and hit the bell icon to be notified with new videos. Bye!